Welcome back to Ahead of the Count, where we spotlight the rising stars poised to make waves in the MLB. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting collegiate pitchers in the 2025 draft class, Jamie Arnold, the standout left-hander from Florida State University. Standing at 6 feet 1 and 188 pounds, Arnold brings a powerful presence to the mound. Hailing from Tampa, Florida, he has become a cornerstone of Florida State's pitching rotation, showcasing his talents in the highly competitive ACC. In the 2025 season, Arnold has been a dominant force on the mound. His impressive 12.3 strikeouts per 9 innings and a whip of 1.06 highlight his ability to control the game and limit opposing offenses. His performance has been pivotal in Florida State's successful campaign, contributing to their advancement to the Super Regionals. His command has improved significantly, with a walk rate of just 3.04 per 9 innings. Arnold's ability to mix pitches and maintain velocity deep into games makes him a formidable opponent. Arnold's stellar performance has solidified his status as a top prospect. He's currently considered a consensus high-level pick with all the makings to be a top 3 pick in the 2025 MLB Draft. With his combination of velocity, command, and poise, Arnold is projected to be a top 5 pick in the upcoming draft. That's a wrap on our deep dive into Jamie Arnold, Florida State's ace, and a top contender in the 2025 MLB Draft. What are your thoughts on his game? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things MLB Draft here on Ahead of the Count.